Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by crafting a precise query. Type the core terms first, then narrow. Once done, add quotes to lock exact phrases and a minus sign to remove irrelevant topics. Make sure to include identifiers, model numbers, dates, or document names, and use site or file type when you need authority or files. This first step speeds results because Google ranks exact matches higher. It also reduces noise so you can act on the top results immediately. You now refine with operators and advanced filters, combine or and parentheses to search alternatives without losing context. Once that structure is set, use the asterisk as a wildcard to fill gaps and ranges like 2010, 2020 to target years. Make sure to open search tools to limit by time or region when freshness matters. These steps tighten relevance and reveal hidden matches because Google interprets structured queries with higher precision than casual, long sentences. You finish by verifying and extracting the best sources, read snippets, open the cached page if a result is gone, and use reverse image search to confirm visuals. Once satisfied, copy key facts and follow links to primary sources. Make sure to cross-check dates and authors. If results are poor, broaden terms, clear cookies, or switch to incognito, this often fixes personalization bias. One key troubleshooting tip: try removing the most specific term to see broader matches, then tighten again.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.